Hey guys! So I'm going to show you how to remove your press-on nails properly, and you can also reuse them after you remove them this way. So right here I have a warm bowl of water with a little bit of hand soap in it. I'm also going to add some cuticle oil to this as well to help take off the press-on nails. So I'm just going to add some cuticle oil to the water here. And then I'm also just going to add it around my cuticles, around the nail, just to kind of help get in there and help the press-on nails come off. So just going to do that. Just going to rub that in. All right, and now I'm just gonna put my hands in the water and just let them soak for a bit. So as you can see, I have here on this side, I have the file and a cuticle pusher that came in the prep kit for your press-on nails. So make sure that you keep everything from your prep kit because you may need to reuse it, whether it is the adhesive tabs or the nail glue, cuticle pusher, or your nail file. So we're just gonna let these sit for a while. So I've had these on for about 2 weeks now. And the longer that you wear your press-on nails, the easier they are going to be to come off. So I'm just going to check and see if any of them are lifting a bit. Just gonna move them side to side, trying to loosen them up. You don't want to be too rough with this because you don't want to rip your nail off and cause any damage. All right, so I'm just gonna add a little more cuticle oil. Spots that I see that are coming up a bit. Just gonna rub that back in there. And put them back in the water and let them soak for a few more minutes. Okay, my nails have been soaking for like 15 minutes. Let's see if these are ready to come off. I'm just gonna twist them side to side. See, okay, this one's coming up a bit. Okay, we have one off. Just gonna set this to the side. All right, we also can use this, our cuticle pusher, to try to pop off the nail. Once again, you want to be gentle doing this. You don't want to be too hard. rough. All right, now I'm just gonna twist this side to side. Gently. Okay, give it another one off. We're gonna set this to the side. All right, this one. Just gonna twist it side to side gently. This one's gonna pop off as well. Okay, so it seems like these need to soak just a little bit longer because they're not quite ready to come up. So I'm just gonna soak them for a few more minutes. Okay, so I soaked my other nails a little bit longer and took them off. So now what we're going to do to make your nails reusable is we're going to file the backs of them off. And you'll see on your nails that you shouldn't really have much of the nail glue on your nail, if any, because the oil kind of helped that just come right off with your nails. So if your nails are still in good shape, which is hopefully why you are soaking them off this way so you can reuse them, you can take this file that comes in your prep kit, and if your nails need sharpened up a little bit, you know, maybe the top, so you can just shape them if they've lost some of their shape from wear and tear, if you're hard on your nails like me. But besides that, we're just going to take some of this glue off that's underneath. So you'll see that there's some glue, and you want to try to buff that out with your file and try to have just that surface that was there before. And a rough surface is really good because this will help stick the next time, but you just want to get that glue off of there. So you're gonna do this to all of your nails. Also, if you happen to have a nail drill at home, this will be really handy. So you can have, I'm sure if you are buying these to do yourself, you probably don't have a professional nail drill at home. But if you go to like Walmart or a drugstore, they sometimes have one of those battery operated nail drills for probably like 15 bucks. And the beauty aisle. And you can pick one of those up if you want to invest in that. If you really love to wear press-on nails, I would suggest getting one, just to make it a little bit easier. So I have an electric nail drill here, and what I'm gonna do is just gonna take that and buff the inside of this nail and get that nail glue off. But you don't need this. This is just something, if you have it, great. If not, it's no biggie because this will work just fine. So once you do that and you get all of your glue off of your nails, they're ready to go. You can reuse them for as long as they'll last. Mine personally lasts a while. So you see these are gel tips reinforced with a little bit of builder gel to give it that extra durability. So with your nails, you can just go ahead and if you want to reapply them, or if you want to switch them to a new design, just go ahead and re-prep your nails and you're good to go. All right, thanks for watching my video. If you love press-on nails as much as I do, please head on over to pressonshop.com. That is a marketplace for tons of quality handcrafted press-on nails. Use code WELCOME10 on our Welcome collection to receive 10% off your first purchase. Bye.